lead us to a place. Guide us away your grace. Give us bliss of
Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
The Philippine National Anthem.
Marches, representing the Queen City of the South, Cebu City. Elijah Lang Suwano, Mandawi City. Good day to each and everyone. I am Ready Manayon and I'm proud to represent Lapu-Lapu City. Ricardo Argosar, representing from the municipality of Consolacion. Chino Marzon, Tanda. Romero City.
Maayong Udto Subo, Alvin Bani Sporters 20, Municipality of San Remigio.
Stephen Talahogun, Bantayan Island. Giving Sovereignty, representing of the province of Madre Dios. GR Modelia, Balamban.
Good afternoon, everyone. General Christian Barangay from the Copper City with a heart of gold to Lena City.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yuan Villanueva, and I am proud to represent the beautiful city of Talisay.
Justin Harvey Rivera, representing the vegetable basket of Cebu, Dalagete. Archduke Francis Cahilo, from the Subat capital of the South, Minglanilla. Sean Leonard de la Calzada Jr. from the city of Life, Naga City.
James Michael Doran with Book of Pies and Sikoy Sikoy Festival, San Fernando, Cebu.
Himatilan.
Gerald Remedio Ponce, representing Municipality of Sambuan.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Bibab Lim, representing Mulambua.
Let's begin with candidate number 1 wearing their Echo Warrior costume. Andro Pensinales, Cebu City. of Lapu-Lapu. Designer, Lily Erasmus. Luis Carlo Taragosa, Municipality of Consolacion. Designer, Keith Bacayo. Chito Marzo, City of Denali. Designer, Adolo Pinarlo. Romeo Shano Romo III, City of Togo. Designer, Carlos Condo. Alvin Cortez, Municipality of San Remedios. Designer, Carlos Conde. Jewel Thomas Taka Calwangon, Municipality of Bantayan Island. Designer, Lily Erasmio. Joaquin Severstein, Municipality of Madridejos. Designer, Keith Bacayo. J.R. Montilla, Municipality of Batamban. Christian Barrington, Toledo City. Decider, Nelfred Apaya. Yuan Villanueva, City of Talisay. Decider, Val San Diego. Arden Francis Calihog, Municipality of Minglan Hillier. Decider, Hilly Hilesny. Jacqueline de la Calzada Jr., City of Naga. Decider, Rolly Montaliano. James Michael Handol, Municipality of San Fernando. Decider, Rolly Montaliano. Municipality of Samboa. Designer, Lindon Adolfo. Municipality of Buwan. Designer, Rene Murado. And now, please welcome your host for today.
Good afternoon to you, one and all. Welcome to the first ever Mr. Ecotourism Cebu North 2022, Mr. Ecotourism Cebu City 2022, Mr. Ecotourism Cebu Province 2022, and finally, the Mr. Ecotourism Cebu 2022 grand title. Isn't that exciting, guys? So thank you very much as well to Golden Peak Hotel and Suites Cebu and its dynamic sales and marketing manager, Sir Chris Lito Dumasig Nieves, for giving our responsible Eco Warriors back here a venue to share their respective advocacies and embark on their journey to becoming the pioneer Mr. Ecotourism Cebu advocate. Wasn't that a spectacular dance number from our Eco Warriors? Kudos to the choreographer as well and stage manager Prince Jeho Sapat Amit for that. And also to Cebu's top designers for our Eco Warriors fabulous costumes this afternoon. I think they all look great. Don't you guys agree? Alright, so let's get to it. Without further ado, let us give out our special awards. Our first special award is the People's Choice Award. He is the one who has the most number of people supporting him this afternoon with the highest ticket sales. So, simply put, he has basically brought his whole town or city here at the Golden Peak Hotel today. Most importantly, he automatically earns a spot in the top 12 as a semi-finalist. So, to present the award is no other present the award. Alright friends, our People's Choice Award goes to Eco Warrior from the Municipality of Madridejos. Please join us up front for your special award. So our next award is the Social Media Award. He is the one whose official photo on our Facebook page has had the most number of valid reactions. Likewise, he as well automatically earns a spot in the top 12 semi-finalists. To present the award is Dr. Ligaya Tayo Bravo, and as well, again with together, Mr. Philippine Youth Prince 2021 and a Plum Cebu model, Brilliant Brian Licata Galapin. Please join us on stage again. Alright everyone, so for our social media award, it goes to Echo Warrior from the city of Toledo. Congratulations. Alright, so our third special award this afternoon is for Mr. Friendship. Since day one, our candidates have been attending various activities while making friends with each other. This person has never failed to raise a smile on everyone's face, be it with his wit, humor, kindness, or what have you. He brings light into the room, and when he leaves, everyone else longs for his presence the next day. So to present this award is Mr. Dylan Gray, and once again together with Mr. Philippine Youth Prince 2021 and a Plum Cebu model, Brilliant Brian Licata Galapin. So our Mr. Friendship Award goes to the Echo Warrior from, once again, the city of Toledo. Our fourth special award is for Mr. Professionalism. He is the Echo Warrior who has led by example, not only with his appearance, but more importantly, with his demeanor, reliability, competence, ethics, and of course, with his advocacy. To present the award is Ms. Maybell Pardillo, together once again with Mr. Philippine Youth Prince 2021, Brilliant Brian Licata Galapin. Alright everyone, so Mr. Professionalism Award goes to the Echo Warrior from the city of Talisay. Congratulations, you have very avid supporters. Next up is the Mr. Photogenic Award. He is the one whose official photo on our Facebook page pops out from the rest, courtesy of Sam Monte Carlo of Highlight Studio, who will also be the one to be presenting the award this afternoon. Sir Sam Monte Carlo, could you please join us on stage? photogenic is the one in the photo. Please come up front. Congratulations from the municipality of Manila. Alright, so for our last special award, we have the Face of GenU Photography Award. Over the past couple of days, our candidates had their Alliance swimwear photo shoot at the S&M Hotel and Suites in Mandaue City. And thanks to Jen Arisiu, one of Cebu's favorite fashion and pageant photographers, and Dexter Alazas, one of Cebu's most sought-after fashion designers and stylists. The photographer has chosen 5 nominees for this award, but there can only be one Face of GenU Photography Special Awardee. So, the nominees will be shown here on screen. Might be a bit difficult to see with all the candidates. To present this award is Jen Arisiu of GenU Photography, together with Mr. Philippine Youth Prince 2021, Brilliant Temporal Lecanda Galate. GenU is not around, so we will be announcing the winner from Dalaguet. Congratulations. So to all the winners of the special awards, could you please go up front or line up for your photo opportunity? Alright, so that is the first set of our awards this afternoon. Congratulations to all the lucky and very deserving winners. Thank you and see you all later. Now, to help us bring the most deserving winners on board as they have, we have invited a battery of experts whose keen eyes and ears speak volumes of integrity and experience. May we request each of them to turn around and face the audience as I introduce them one by one. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Mr. Ecotourism Cebu 2022 Board of Judges. Let us start with the chairman of the Board of Judges. He is a motivational speaker, a farm owner, the president of Cebu City Progressive Uptown Movement, the founder of Mag-Alayon Magsasaka Association, a trendsetter of numerous beauty pageants in the whole province and city of Cebu and in neighboring Visayan Islands, a sales and marketing consultant. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the sales and marketing manager of the Golden Peak Hotel and Suites, Cebu, Mr. Creslito Dumasig Nieves. Round of applause, please. So our next judge is a former beauty queen who was crowned on national TV via Eat Bulaga's Miss Close-Up Campus Co-Ed Philippines in 1983. She was crowned as Miss Southwestern University Dentistry in 1981, Miss Southwestern University First Runner-Up in 1982, and Miss Philippine Dental Student Association First Runner-Up. She graduated Doctor of Dental Medicine as cum laude in 1985 and passed the California Dental Board exams in 1999, where she operated her own private practice as a general dentist in the San Francisco Bay Area since 2005 and owned Village Square Dental Center located in Dublin, California. She is a member of the American Dental Association and is currently on sabbatical from dental practice and has kept herself busy with traveling, volunteering, and performing her duties as parish council member of St. Joan of Arc Parish in San Roman, California. Ladies and gentlemen, please give me a warm welcome for Dr. Ligaya Tayo Bravo. Our next judge is known as the most favorite pageant and fashion lensman in the Queen City. He has photographed innumerable beauty queens and pageant kings, as well as top models and corporate bigwigs. He's a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Tourism, major in Travel and Tour Management from the University of San Jose, Recoletos. He is also a photo correspondent of both Sunstar newspaper and Cebu Daily News for lifestyle and entertainment sections. Moreover, he works as marketing and promotional officer of the Cebu Provincial Tourism Office and owns the much sought after Gen U Photography Far and Wide. I'm not sure if he's around today, but let's say thanks to Mr. Jen Arisu. Thank you for gracing us. Alright, so our next judge is a model, a vlogger, a content creator, a social media influencer, a product promoter, and a former member of Boytrans boy band, and also the current brand ambassador of Itsura Skincare. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Mr. Dylan Gray. Our next judge is a Hong Kong-based singer-songwriter who hails from Cebu, Philippines. She is also an entrepreneur and one of Hong Kong's leading personalities in real estate business. Now, she has expanded her real estate investment in the Philippines by opening the iconic mall in Colon and the upcoming BB Tower Hotel and Condos. Ladies and gentlemen, the president of the 8-Star Land Realty and Development Corporation, the voice that brought us this year's biggest hit single, Good Vibes, and Asia's real estate tycoon and total stage performer, the bearer of good vibes herself, Miss Maybelle Pardillo. Our next judge is a former floor director of Eat Bulaga segment, producer of Laban o Bawi. On 2002, he was named as the youngest talent manager of the Philippines and road manager of the celebrities. Please help me welcome Mr. Fernando J. Ostia. Judge is a member of the Makeup Artists Club of Cebu, or the MUACC, the overall champion of Asia Pacific Hairstylist and Cosmetologist Association of both Evening Makeup and Bridal Makeup Contest last 2016, hosted by Gandang Ricky Reyes, a celebrity makeup artist of ABS-CBN Stars, and an exclusive makeup artist of ABS-CBN Cebu Kapamilya, Mas Winner Ka. The exclusive makeup artist as well of the newest digital TV station, Cebu's TV. A beauty queen maker, the owner of JF Modeling Management, a beauty queen, and a Queen of Pardo Universe 2018. The longest reigning Diwata sa Cebu 2019, Jana Fernan. Alright, so for our 8th judge, he is the owner of Jcon Group of Companies. Please do give a warm welcome to John Louis Enoch. Round of applause, please, everyone. So for our next judge, the master teacher of Mabolong Elementary School, North District 4 MAPE and Cultural Coordinator in Cebu City Division, a president of Cebuano Choreographers Association, A1 Festival choreographer not only in Cebu but in the entire Philippine island, has been judging several beauty pageants and served for Festival King and Queens, and a 7-time champion of Sinulog Festival, being a choreographer, creative consultant, and artistic director of Tribu Mabulucan, Tribu Linganay, Tribu Lanao del Norte in 2008, 2010, 2013 Sinulog sa Kabataan, and Sinulog Grand Parade in 2012, 13, 2016, and 17. The artistic director of Ani-Anihan Festival, Municipality of Tabuelan, and the owner of Custudio Motive and Style Boutique, Maximar Custudio. Please give a warm welcome. Alright, so back in his academic year, he was a consistent Dean's Lister and Academic Excellence Awardee, where he graduated with Latin honors as cum laude in the degree of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management at the University of the Visayas main campus. He was also a Supreme Student Government President in the said university. Was a former host of the infotainment show by the provincial government Mag-uban Kita, which features the town and cities of the province of Cebu. Former Cebu Provincial Government employee and the Provincial Information Office, a former Senate staff of Senator Grace Poe, and a photographer in different beauty pageants and portrait pictorials. Please help me welcome Sam Monte Carlo. For our next judge, he is the Managing Director of Cebu's top modeling agency, Admire Models Philippines, an agency that produces international models and beauty queens and kings. Cebu's top fashion designer and sustainable lifestyle advocate, and Cebu's only stylographer, and from My TV Cebu, My Style, Sir Dexter Alazas. Please give a warm welcome. Alright, so from entrepreneurship and the CEO of Innocence Collection, we have Maue Sales, Sales. Please give a warm welcome. As well as the Secretary of Saint Innocence Collection, Ms. Claire Vanessa Buron. May I request the profile of our last two judges? So for our next judge, he is a young entrepreneur, founder and CEO of his own startup company, Infused Media. He also serves as the Sales and Marketing Director for External Affairs of Bastap Delicacies, a provider of Cebuano popular pasalubong, the Otap and Rosquillos, located in Luyong, Carmen, Cebu. All Bastap Delicacies are now available in mainland USA, bringing the Cebuano taste to our kababayans abroad. Please help me welcome Sir David Castro. So that's our judges for today. Thank you so much.
This event wouldn't be possible without our sponsors. Our Echo Warriors tribute to S&M Hotel in Mandaue City, where RMT Electrical Works, Jen Yu Photography, Dr. Ligaya Tayo Brown, Itsura, Masterpiece, Highlight Studio, IM, Iconic Mall, Dr. Eric Aesthetics, S&M Hotel and Suites, Alliance, The Basta, Admire Models Philippines, Pagwapa Beauty Salon, Golden Peak Hotel and Suites, Gcon Travel and Tours. Their hottest moments under the tree and at the poolside. No less than Dexter Lazas of Admire Models Philippines provided the candidates alias swimwear and gave them an on-the-spot pep talk on print modeling and such. Special thanks to the S&M Hotel and Suites owner, Jamie Ann and Michael James Ann, for the warm reception. Watch this. Not only is Golden Peak the stomping ground for an increase in temperature, we all know that cutting down carbon emission is crucial. Here at the Golden Peak, the glass walls in the lobby cut down carbon emission and prevent heat loss. Not to mention play a huge role in saving energy with the alluring transparency that allows natural light inside and illuminates everyone and everything, including the future of our young and responsible eco-warriors. Again, thank you to the Golden Peak Hotel and Suites Cebu and the super dynamic sales and marketing manager, Crislito Dumasig Niegas, for sharing your advocacy with Mr. Ecotourism Cebu.
Alright, so needless to say, the candidate should have the physical attributes that fit the mold of a true blue Mr. Ecotourism Cebu warrior. He should be physically fit in order to help in fighting the environmental issues of today. Aside from physique, he should possess the authentic charm and natural vigor that attract others to join forces with him in the pageant's mission and vision. Thanks to Dexter Alazas for his Drop Dead Elias swimwear creation, our 20 equally good-looking candidates are here to capture the sizzle of the Golden Peak Hotel and Suites Cebu's Convention Center. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Mr. Ecotourism Cebu 2022 Swimwear Competition. Candidate number 1, Cebu City. Mandaue City. Lapu-Lapu City. Malangban. Toledo City. Dalisay City. Minglanilla. Naga City. Nagila. Malaboyo. Sambuan. Boal. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our equally good-looking and charming Echo Warriors in their drop-dead Elias swimwear by Dexter Alada. All right, so for our first corporate award, it's the Echo Mr. Iconic. So the winner of this award will receive a gift certificate worth 5,000 pesos to be presented by Miss Mabel Padillo and Jay Osman. All right, so for our three Mr. Echo Iconic Mall winners, our first winner is from Dalaga. second winner from Madridejos. And our last winner is from Sambuan. Congratulations to all three winners of the Mr. Iconic Corporate Award. Right, once again, congratulations to all three winners. So for our next corporate award, the title of Mr. Basta. The winner of Mr. Basta will be receiving a gift pack from Basta, and it will be presented by Kay Miranda, who is the events director. So the winner is from, please come forward, Dalagat. Congratulations once again, Dalagat. Our next corporate award, I believe, is from Admire Models Philippines. So he will be receiving a modeling contract with a portfolio and training with top mentors, a complete wardrobe from Cebu's top designer Dexter Alazas, and a chance to groom and represent Cebu in national pageant. So we have two winners for the Admire Models Philippines Image Model Award. This is to be presented by the Admire Model Daniel Justin Fonseca. Please come up front. So our first of the two winners for the Admire Models Philippines Image Model Award is, come forward, Madridejos. The second winner of this award is from, once again, come forward, Dalagat. He will be the new face of Elias ready-to-wear style apparel line by Dexter Alazas. He will also serve as the print and commercial model of the brand. This award is to be presented once again by Admire male model Daniel Justin Consuegra. So once again, we have two winners for this award. Our first winner is Madridejos. Alright, make all the corporate awardees form a line so that you can have your picture opportunity. Do compress. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Ecotourism Cebu 2022 corporate awardees. Congratulations. Alright, thank you. Now, a word for our sponsors.
NK Events Production and Mr. Ecotourism Cebu would like to thank some people, businesses, and organizations without whose bounty this pageant would not be happening right now. Thank you. RMT Electrical Works, Jet U Photography, Dr. Ligaya Tayo Bravo, Itsura, Master Pizza, Highlight Studio, Aya, or Infused Media, Iconic Mall, Erical Aesthetics, S&M Hotel and Suites, Alliance, The Basta, Admire Models Philippines, Pagwapa Beauty Salon, Golden Peak Hotel and Suites Cebu, Gcon Travel and Tours, Incense Collection, ACS Graphics, Again, NK Events Production and Mr. Ecotourism Cebu would like to thank some people, businesses, and organizations without whose bounty this pageant would not be happening right now. Thank you. RMT Electrical Works, Jedu Photography, Dr. Ligaya Tayo Bravo, Itsura, Master Pizza, Highlight Studio, Infused Media, Iconic Mall, Erical Aesthetics, S&M Hotel and Suites, Alliance, The Basta, Admire Models Philippines, Pagwapa Beauty Salon, Golden Peak Hotel and Suites Cebu, Gcon Travel and Tours, Incense Collection, ACS Graphics.
Welcome to Cologne newest landmark, the iconic mall in Cologne. With its state-of-the-art architecture and design, so please enjoy a safe shopping and dining experience. Pasalahan unique, iconic.
If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. I could take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to blow. Swipe, swipe, swipe on you. Sitting by the fire while we eating for and two. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say 1, 2, 4, 7, 3, 6, right. I'd like to be everything you want. Hey girl, let me talk to you. If I was your boyfriend, never let you go. Keep you on my arm, girl. You never be alone. I could be a champion.
City.
Designer, Lily Hidasma.
Lapu-Lapu City.
Designer, Richard Ermitaño.
Consolación.
Designer, Richard Ermitaño.
Danao City.
Designer, Edwin Allen.
Repan.
Designer Aris Harapuelis.
Toledo City.
Designer Wilfred Apaya.
Talisay City.
Designer Hurley Wells.
Minglanilla.
Designer Hurley Wells.
Dalagan.
Designer Joshua Cyrus Ortega.
Lina Tila.
Designer Manuel Tomato.
Sabuan.
Designer Veronica Bacu.
Moal Moal.
Designer Manuel Rosas.
Ladies and gentlemen, our candidates in their modern boroughs.
ay anong sarap. Tunay na pag-ibig, lagi kang nananaginip. Kasama mo siya, ay ligaya na walang patigil. Mr. Cupido, ako naman tulungan mo. Bakit hindi panahin ang kanyang damdamin? Nakuha na kasi, Mr. Cupido. Sa kanya din ako. Huwag mo nang tagalan, pag-iinam ng puso ko. Minsan siya ay nakausap, ako ay parang nasa ulan. Kapag ako'y biglang titigan, sa puso ay anong sarap. Tunay na pag-ibig, lagi kang nanaginip. Pagkasama mo siya, ay ligaya na walang patigil. Mr. Cupido, ako naman tulungan mo. Bakit hindi panahin ang kanyang damdamin? Nang nakuha na kasi, Mr. Cupido. Sa kanya din ako. Huwag mo nang tagalan, pag-iinam ng puso ko. Mr. Cupido, ako naman tulungan mo. Bakit hindi panahin ang kanyang damdamin? Nang nakuha na kasi, Cupido. Sa kanya din ako. Huwag mo nang tagalan, pag-iinam ng puso ko. Huwag mo nang tagalan, pag-iinam ng puso ko. Mr. Cupido, Mr. Cupido, Mr. Cupido.
All right, friends, before we hand out our major awards, we have two more corporate awards to give out. So, the next corporate award is Mr. Golden Peak Hotel. Mr. Golden Peak will be receiving an overnight stay for 2 persons with breakfast worth 4,000 pesos. To present the award is Sir Chris Litonia. All right, so now Mr. Golden Peak Hotels is Malaboyo. Our next corporate award is Mr. S&M Hotel. Mr. S&M Hotel will be receiving 2 days overnight stay at the S&M Hotel located in Dallas. Can you come forward to present the award for the Mr. S&M Hotel representative? Alright, so we're going to go straight to the announcement. Please come forward. Mr. S&M Hotel is... Gina Tilan. Congratulations. Alright friends, it's time to hand out our major awards. This is another exciting part of the Coronation Day happening here at the Golden Inn Hotel and Suites Cebu's Convention Center because the following awardees have been chosen by our distinguished judges today. So it goes to say that they are the top standouts on stage this afternoon.
To present the award to all the winners is Dr. Ligaya Tayo Bravo, our beloved sponsor for the major awards this afternoon. One of our beloved judges from California, USA, and Itbulaga Miss Close-Up Campus Co-ed Philippines 1983. Together with Mr. Brilliante Bradley Canda de Lapi, Mr. Philippine Youth Prince 2021, and a prom single model.
Our first major award is the Best in Production Number. He's the one who stood out during the opening dance number with his moves, steps, and all that jazz. He will receive a cash and sash. Friends, our Mr. Ecotourism Cebu 2022 Best in Production Number is the Eco Warrior from Nagayan. Congratulations, Nagayan. We can kindly have Dr. Ligaya Tayo Bravo to come back forward for the second major award, as well as Mr. Brillianton Riley Canda de Lapi. Our second major award is for the Best in Eco Warrior Costume. He's the one who donned the most relevant creation, which spoke volumes of power and purpose, mission and vision. He will be receiving cash and a sash. So friends, our Mr. Ecotourism Cebu 2022 Best in Eco Warrior Costume is from congratulations, Sambuan! Kindly stay on stage for the third major award, Doctor. Alright, so we have two more major awards. Our penultimate major award is for the best in swimwear. He's the one who exuded confidence, energy, charm, and of course, good looks during the swimwear competition we had earlier. He is one of receiving cash and a sash. So friends, our Mr. Eco Tourism Cebu 2022 Best in Swimwear is from Dalagan. Congratulations once again, Dalagan. He's the one who displays the most charismatic stage presence, as you can see. He will receive cash and a sash. So once again, everyone, our Mr. Eco Tourism Cebu 2022 Best in Barong is from... What do you think it is? Congratulations! Wow! Congratulations to all the winners. Please come press together for your photo opportunity. All right, thank you so much, candidates. So now, a word once again from our sponsors. You may now exit.
And Havens Production and Mr. Eco Tourism Cebu would like to thank some people, businesses, and organizations without whose bounty this pageant would not be happening right now. Thank you. RMT Electrical Works, Jet Youth Photography, Dr. Ligaya Tayo Bravo, Infused Media, Iconic Mall, Erica Marie Francis Aesthetic Center, S&M Talent Suites, Alias by Dexter Alazas, The Basta, Admar Mollis Philip, Innocence Collection, and ACS Graphics.
Welcome to Cologne newest landmark, the iconic mall in Cologne. With its state-of-the-art architecture and design, the iconic mall in Cologne will surely give you a unique shopping experience. But most of all, here at the iconic mall, we value your safety and security. Thus, all of our staff follow strictly by the protocols set by the IATF and the EOC of the Cebu City government. So please visit us here at the iconic mall in Cologne and enjoy a safe shopping and dining experience.
take your places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance, so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to play. Swipe, swipe, swipe. I'm you, sitting by the fire while we eating foreign food. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say how you 2 4 7 3 2 swipe. Like to be everything you want. Girl, let me talk to you. If I was your boyfriend, never let you go. You are my arm, girl. You never be alone. I can be determined. Anything you want. If I was your boyfriend, never let you go.
To have an intermission number, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Maharlika Dance Troupe. To give us a song number, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Joanna Ali.
Saan matatagpuan
give us another song number, let us all welcome Coach Prince Jeho Ahmed, the World Karaoke Silver Medalist, and Singkaling Sen Teston.
Hello. I have loved and dreamed of a far off place where our heroes will come waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I'll be yours today. I can go the distance. I will find a way. If I can be strong, I will be worth alright. When I go the distance, I will run for my belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate, though the road may wander, it will lead to you. And 1,000 years would be worth of it. Might take a lifetime, but somehow I see it through. And I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I'll stay on track. No more than self. Love is the hope that's fine. For here's the manifestation by His Still I find my eagles walk up in your
Insula, Master Pizza, Highlight Studio, Infused Media, Iconic Mall, Erica Marie Francis Aesthetic Center, S&M Hotel and Suites, Aviaz by Dexter Elazas, The Blast Stop, Admire Models Philippines, Pagwapa Beauty Salon, Golden Peak Hotel and Suites Cebu, Chica Travel and Tours, Innocence Collection, ACS Graphics,
area for judging. So last April 24, our 20 Echo Warriors had their preliminary competition, which was held at the Platinum Hall on the 21st floor here at the Golden Peak Hotel and Suites Cebu. So 30% of the candidates' total score from there will be added to their scores from today's production number, which is worth 10%. The Echo Warrior costume competition, which is also worth 10%. The swimmer competition, which is 15%. And the Modern Barong competition, which is also 15%, as well as ticket sales today, which adds up to 20%, for the selection of the top 12 semifinalists. Alright, so we're going to be trimming it down from our 20 candidates to the top 12. May I call in our 20 Echo Warriors back here on stage before some of them say goodbye to their journey while others soldier on through the rest of the competition. The results are here in my hand, and I'm about to reveal the heartwarming or heartbreaking list of our top 12 semifinalists. Guys, are you ready? Candidates, are you ready? Alright, if your name is called, please come forward and then form your line here. So, who are you guys supporting? Who do you think is our first semifinalist? Alright, so without further ado, the first of our 12 semifinalists is Manabuyok. Congratulations, you're still in. Madrideos. Alright, so next one to be part of our top 12. Come on down, the Echo Warrior from from Toledo City. Please follow suit. The Echo Warrior from Nicolanilla. Of our 12 semifinalists, our 5th position goes to Consolacion. Please do join us here on the center stage. The Echo Warrior from Talisay City. Your the Echo Warrior from... Congratulations, Balamban, you're still in! Alright everyone, let's say hello to the Echo Warrior from... That again! Alright, so our 9th semi-finalist. Welcome to the group, the Echo Warrior from Moa Moa. Congratulations. Alright, hurry up and join us here up front before the judges change their mind. The Echo Warrior from Samboan. Alright, 2 more spots left. And this spot belongs to the Echo Warrior from where? You're right, he's from San Fernando. And of course, finally, the last but definitely not the least of our top 12 semi-finalists. Can you guess who it is? From which city or municipality? Alright, your hard work has paid off. The last semi-finalist is from Bobo City. Congratulations. Our top 12 as you see here. And of course to the rest of the candidates, you all did great. Thank you so much.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 12 Mr. Ecotourism Cebu 2022 semi-finalists. How about a big round of applause once again?
Alright, so now it's time to hear each of our top 12 Echo Warriors advocacy. May I request the first finalist who was called earlier to come forward, while the rest of you go backstage and wait to be called later on. Alright, so before we start, each of the finalists is given within 2 minutes to finish his advocacy speech and will be scored according to the overall impression from the judges of his advocacy and delivery. Let me remind everyone that this is a make or break round in that 50% of their score from this advocacy will be added to the 50% based on their looks and physical appearance for a total of 100%. And for a chance to advance later to the top 7 finalists. Alright, go ahead.
As your future Mr. Ecotourism Cebu 2022 grand winner, I believe that there is no other advocacy that can be more relevant these days rather than stabilizing sustainable environment. From as simple as remembering to unplug electronic devices from ports in my home overnight, through sharing my best practices with my conversation with friends and even in the social media, I believe that my advocacy can go a long way, especially in uniting conservation, communities, as well as sustainable travel. please help me to win this pageant. And with the mission of our Ecotourism Cebu, which is to discover responsible young men that will serve as an advocate of our ecotourism here in Cebu, is a big knowledge of me. And with the vision of our Ecotourism Cebu, which is to make a difference and impact to our country, with the love of my country, for sake of my country, I thank you. God bless.
All right, may we now call Matthew Dehels for his advocacy speech.
Before I entered the world of pageantry, I was quite chunky and fat. Almost every day, comments about my physique were all too common. I was nicknamed Summerbutts, as a reference to my body as bell shape. Days passed, my insecurities got the best of me. I started working out and focused on myself. This advocacy of mine aims to help the behavior of those around me before. My advocacy is to fight against body shaming. It is time to put negative comments about our body to a stop. I felt ashamed internally as I walked outside of my house. However, one day, I decided to not let their comments affect me anymore. This advocacy of mine aims to address the behavior of those around me before. I started working out and focused on myself. I eradicate myself into this advocacy. My advocacy is to fight against body shaming. Thank you.
All right, may we now hear from Toledo City, his advocacy speech.
Toledo, your timer starts now.
Good evening. As we all know that we are blessed with so much destinations with unique cultures and diverse traditions. If we work together, embracing our culture, equip people with skills and utilize the extent of our potentials through proper education, and contribute ideas in recreating things we thought are waste, which turns pollution to purification, then we can achieve a sustainable ecosystem development and adaptive environmental advancement, which is my advocacy. Official garden made from garbages with vibrant colors in the democracy connects with employment. We can have a lot of projects and initiatives that help our people and boost our tourism as well. I, a public servant, a youth advocate, and your ambassador of ecotourism Cebu, upholds the characteristics in maximizing human potentials for the benefit of our environment. What we need is action. Right here, right now, we must adopt a proactive stance and demonstrate our concern to the rest of the globe. It's time to be vigilant. It's time to act today. Let's save the environment from pollution, save the incoming generation. Thank you.
Against this global. That is why I advocate for carbon neutrality, which is the state achieved by balancing emissions of carbon dioxide. Through peaceful protests on platforms such as this, and we can create a process that ensures that corporations, who are the culprit of the majority of carbon dioxide being emission into the planet's atmosphere, are dealt with accordingly in a peaceful manner that in general. As such, I want to emphasize on the necessity of this advocacy because now we are being warned that time
The value of compassion as well as the dialogue and conversation.
Create so that there will be a tourist that will visit in our tourist spot. And moreover, creating a business and a livelihood in our community instead of making our ocean or seashore like a garbage. So the most important thing is to have a better place to live in. That's all. Thank you.
this pageant would not be happening right now. Thank you. RMT Electrical Works. JED Photography. Dr. Ligaya Tayo Bravo. Itsura. Masterpiece. Highlight Studio. Infused Media. Iconic Mall. Erica Marie Francis Aesthetic Center. S&M Hotel Suites. Alias by Dexter Tazas. The Basta. Admire Models Philippines. Pagwaka Beauty Salon. Golden Peak Hotel and Suites Cebu. Gcon Travel and Tours. Innocence Collection. ACS Graphics.
If I was your girlfriend, I'd never let you go. I could take you places you'll never been before. Baby, take a chance, so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to play. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Sitting by the fire, what we eating for and two. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say we took a second, 3, 2, right. Like to be anything you want. Hey girl, let me talk to you. If I was a boyfriend, never let you go. Keep you on my arm, girl. You never be alone. I can be determined, anything you want. If I was a boyfriend, never let you go.
Welcome to Cologne newest landmark, the iconic mall in Cologne. With its state-of-the-art architecture and design, the iconic mall in Cologne will surely give you a unique shopping experience. Most of all, here at the iconic mall, we value your safety and security. Thus, all of our staff follow strictly by the protocols set by the IATF and the EOC of the Cebu City Government. So please visit us here at the iconic mall in Cologne and enjoy a safe shopping and dining experience. Basta lang unique, iconic.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Maharlika Dance Troupe. song number, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome once again, Joan Al. Thank you, Joanna. To give us another song number, let me call on Coach Prince Jeo Amin, the World Karaoke Challenge silver medalist, singing tested and a voice coach.
Let it stay
production and Mr. Echo Tourism Cebu would like to thank some people, businesses, and organizations without whose bounty this pageant would not be happening right now. Thank you. RFT Electrical Work, Paguapa Beauty Salon, Golden Peak Hotel and Suites Cebu, G-Con Travel and Tours, Innocence Collection, ACS Graphics,
Stronger. Gonna let your body shake and shiver. Your energy will last forever.
was your girlfriend, I never let you go. I could take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to blow. Swipe, swipe, swipe. I'm you, sitting by the fire, what are you referring to? I don't know about you, but I know about you. So say I will keep us all in 3, 2, swipe. If I was a boyfriend, I never let you go. Keep you on my arm, girl. Never be alone. Be a gentleman, any way you want. If I was a boyfriend.
Moments later, parang bukid na lilipad-lipad sa gitna ng